The great lie we've all been sold. Work hard and you'll be successful. Since childhood, this idea has been deeply embedded into our minds. Parents, teachers, and society echo this message. If you grind hard enough, success is inevitable. But if hard work were the key to wealth, construction workers, janitors, factory laborers, and countless others who toil relentlessly every day would be billionaires. Yet, we see a very different reality. The hardest working people often remain financially stuck, while many who seemingly do very little accumulate vast wealth. So, what's missing? What separates the financially free from the endlessly grinding? Let's unlock this truth today. The origins of the hard work myth. The hard work narrative dates back centuries. During industrial revolutions, factory owners needed obedient, hardworking employees. The education system, designed around producing compliant workers, emphasized discipline and obedience over innovation and leverage. Hard work does have value. It builds character, discipline, and responsibility. But in the modern wealth creation game, hard work is no longer the main variable. The game has changed. In a capitalist system, the marketplace doesn't reward effort. It rewards value creation, scalability, and leverage. The difference between labor and leverage. Let's define two critical terms. Labor, exchanging your time for money directly. Leverage, creating systems, assets, or platforms that multiply your effort exponentially. A barista makes coffee for 8 hours a day and earns a set hourly wage. A YouTube creator records one video, uploads it once, and earns income repeatedly as it garners views worldwide, day and night. Both individuals may have worked hard at some point, but one leveraged platforms and technology to detach income from time. This is the secret the wealthy understand. The 4 invisible engines of wealth. Here are 4 critical factors that truly build wealth. 1. Leverage. Wealthy people leverage technology, automation, AI, internet platforms. Capital. Money working for money. People, employees, teams, outsourcing, distribution, scaling products or services globally. 2. Ownership. Working hard builds income. Owning assets builds wealth. Business intensity proprietarial estate investment in scalable platforms. 3. Risk tolerance. Most people fear risk. The wealthy embrace calculated risks. Starting businesses, investing early, riding market trends. 4. Asymmetry of return. Working 20% smarter can yield 200% better results. While the average employee gets 3% annual raises, entrepreneurs, investors, and creators can see exponential growth. Case studies of hard work versus wealth creation. The hard worker. John works 60 hours or week as a factory supervisor. He earns $600 a year despite years of hard work. He barely keeps up with inflation, taxes, and rising costs. His income is capped by his hours. The leverage player. Sarah spends 3 years building an online business. She invests time upfront creating digital products. Her products sell globally 24/7. She earns $250 a year. Semi-passive Elisara still works, but her effort now multiplies itself. The difference isn't intelligence or effort. It's leverage and ownership. The 3 lies of hard work. Lie number 1. If you work harder, you'll automatically get promoted. Truth. Many promotions are based on politics, perception, and timing, not effort alone. Lie number 2. The longer you work, the richer you'll become. Truth. Long hours often create burnout, not wealth. Wealth comes from compounding returns, not cumulative hours. Lie number 3. Hard work guarantees job security. Truth. Entire industries can collapse overnight due to innovation, AI, or market shifts. Job security is an illusion. The wealth mindset shift. Wealth requires rewiring your mindset entirely. From trading time for money, fear of risk dependence on a single employer, short-term focus. 2. Building scalable assets, embracing intelligent risk, creating multiple income streams, thinking in decades, not weeks. The wealthy play a different game. They build wealth machines that generate income whether they work or not. The power of scalable assets. Let's explore assets that allow wealth scaling. Digital products, courses, e-books, software licensing, intellectual property, royalties, patents estate, rental income, appreciation stock market, dividends, capital growth out-of channels, evergreen content monetized long-term affiliate marketing, leveraging other people's products for commission. These assets work 24/7 without direct labor once built. How leverage works in the modern world. Example 1. Software developer creates an app once. Millions download it worldwide. Each additional download costs nearly nothing. Example 2. YouTube channel, you record one video. It generates views and ad revenue daily for years. Example 3. Investments, you invest $1,000 today. Compound growth doubles it over time without additional labor. This is leverage in action. The role of timing and trends. Timing matters. Early adopters of Bitcoin, YouTube, Shopify, or AI tools captured massive upside. Spotting trends early multiplies returns. Hard work won't help if you're digging in the wrong field. Wealthy individuals constantly study trends, positioning themselves ahead of the masses. Building your wealth engine. Actionable steps. 1. Shift your mindset. Start seeing the world in terms of systems, leverage, and ownership. 2. Educate yourself. Study wealth creation models, investing, and scalable business models. 3. Start small. Build one small scalable asset first, for example YouTube, online store, affiliate blog. 4. Reinvest early gains. Use initial profits to build more income streams. 5. Network strategically. Surround yourself with people playing the wealth game. 6. Stay patient. True wealth compounds over years, not months. The dark side of the hustle culture. Hustle culture glorifies constant grinding. Sleep is for the weak. Work 18 hours a day. Never stop grinding. But chronic hustle leads to burnout, issues, broken relationships, and income is key. Sustainable wealth creation allows time freedom, not constant exhaustion. The emotional trap of working hard. Hard workers often attach their identity to effort. I deserve more because I work hard. Hard work defines my worth. But the marketplace is indifferent to effort. It rewards results. Letting go of emotional attachment to work is hard but necessary to make strategic, unemotional wealth-building decisions. Real-world wealth examples. Jeff Bezos built Amazon systems and leveraged technology to serve billions. Elon Musk uses multiple leverage layers: capital, innovation, teams, distribution. Mr. Beast YouTube, massive leverage through viral videos, sponsorships, reinvestment, team scaling. Their wealth isn't from working 24/7. It's from building scalable empires. Why most people stay broke despite hard work. Lack of financial education, fear of risk and failure, comfort in routine, avoidance of learning new skills, relying solely on salaries. Wealth requires breaking free from these traps intentionally. The hard work paradox. Ironically, in the beginning, building scalable wealth requires intense hard work. But the goal is to eventually detach wealth from labor. The wealthy work extremely hard upfront to build leverage engines that later run semi-autonomously. The life unlocked mindset. Hard work is honorable, but hard work alone is no longer enough. Build assets, not just income. Seek leverage, not just effort. Embrace risk intelligently. Play the long game. This is how true wealth is built. Thank you for watching Life Unlocked. Subscribe for more timeless life lessons that can change your financial destiny.